Another Manny Monday. Clients need to stay in their lane. Why is it that construction is the one industry where clients feel they have the right to question everything we do as skilled tradespeople? They feel it's okay to question our rates and what we charge. They feel they have the right to tell us that they know a guy, that they can do that part cheaper. They have the right to fuck us over on the final bill, and they also think that that's okay to do that. They feel they have the right to tell us how to do our job because they saw it on YouTube or Pinterest and the four-letter word HGTV with all of these so-called reno actors telling them that this is how it should cost. When these reno actors never did it, they pretend to do it. I want to paint a scenario. Can you imagine if you buy a car, pick your brand, you go to the showroom, you see the product, you know the price, you haggle the price, you agree on the price, you buy the vehicle, you pay for it. Then you say, I want to go to the factory. I want to see where it's made. And then you show up there and you start telling the brand how they should assemble it, how they should build their product, how they should design their product, how they should maintain their product. They start showing the car brand, the car manufacturer, YouTube videos of some useless influencer out there that's basically highlighting vehicles, and they think that they know exactly everything about this vehicle. They know how to build it, they know how to operate it, they know how to drive it, which is total bullshit. Can you imagine if clients actually did that to the car manufacturers and how the car manufacturer industry would actually treat those clients? Again, clients need to stay in their lane and let the professionals deliver what was sold, agreed, and deserved to be paid for. Have a great week, everybody.